Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you're watching me, I remain the Governor Empire. And today, let us dive into what we have today. I'll be teaching you how you can create a VTU website where you can sell data, you can sell recharge card, you can sell bulk SMS, you can sell exam pin, jam pins, and so on. As you can send a lot of things using just a VTU website. And now you can do this. You don't need to pay a website designer. You can do this by yourself, and within the space of 15 to 20 minutes you're already through with it. So let's dive into what we have today. So what you just need to do now, go to your Chrome or your phone. Then type the first thing. We have to first of all buy an hosting provider. We'll buy an hosting provider and a domain. So now I advise you can use any hosting provider or domain, but I love using hostbig.com because I think it's one of the cheapest I've seen so far. Say hostbig.com. When you click on it here, so now what you just need to do at first, you first of all sign up, that is registered. I love registration before doing any other thing. You can try to purchase first before register, but I love registration first. So what you just need to do, type in your name, your details. Just type your details, your name, your last name, and okay, your email address, your phone number, your billing address. All these are optional. So long your street address is there, your city where you're staying and so on is there. It's just what you do. Then you have to generate a password. Type in, you can decide to use a password you know by yourself, or you can generate a random password. But if you are generating a random password, make sure you save the password elsewhere. Okay, it will take you directly to your client area. You say, I've been using this before. I just tell you how you can able to just register just like that. So now after that, what you need to do next is to buy a domain. Click on register a new domain. When you click on register a new domain, this place say find a new domain. Now you can decide to use, okay, let me say there is the governor.org. Now, if this .governor.org is available, it will tell you that it's available. But if someone else have been using it, it will tell you it's not available. I think this is available. Okay, the one I did before. So what you need to do now is just to add, if you need this .org is there just for you to add to chat. Then if you don't need it, if you need .com, it's telling .com is 19,919 naira. .co is um 52,000.org, .ng, and so on and so forth. .ng is 2,700. So either of them you need. But now, based on you are doing a website, and I think it's a Nigeria website you are doing, or your country website, I advise you to use a very cheaper one, which is this 2,700. So what you just need to do is just to add to chat. When you add to chat, I think I've done a video before how it's just a simple step. After adding to chat, you check out. After checking out, you just make the payment. Either you make through bank transfer, card, or through USDT. So that is it. So after you have done that, so the next thing you have to do, you have to wait for email to be sent to you. So after you have done that, so what you just have to do, you have to wait for an email to be sent to you. This is your cpanel details. So I will show you an example here. I think this email does not take up to 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour. They will send you the email, at least latest 30 minutes. This is it. So when you have you will see something like the HB support on your email, the email you use to open the Osbik when you're doing the registration. So just after you just to click on it. So when you click on it, it will just show you this it will show you your hosting control panel. So what you have to do, just log into your hosting control panel, then input the username and the password. That's just what you need to do now. So let's just dive into that now. Let me log in into my hosting panel now. You click on the control hosting panel. Now you search the username, you put in the username here, and the password, you put in a password is sent to you. Now when you log into your cPanel, this is just how it will look like. So now what you need to do now is very simple. Just click on this public HTML. When you click on it, it will carry you directly to where the script is supposed to be. So for now, if you have not gotten the script, I will be giving the script for as low as 2000 naira for some few people. Then after now, I will take the script back to 18,000 naira. So if you need a script, either you chat me on WhatsApp or you click on the link below to get the script. So now, this place normally it will be empty on the normal circumstance, but I will tell you how to upload the script to for you to start working. So what you just need to do now, this before after the public HTML, you see a three dotted line, then you see name. Click on the three dotted line. Then if you look, you see where cancel something like scissors. You just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The one that is on blue and they have a red arrow white red background with arrow, white arrow going up, just click on it. You see here, click to add file, click on it. Just click on the surface here, then it will take you, just click on document. So now it will take you to where the script you purchase or your script, where you're able to upload your script. It will just carry directly to the place. So now this is the utility B. I name it utility B here. Just click on utility B. Then you click on it. So now what you just need to just say upload. As you click upload, you wait for it to load. After loading, it will show exactly like VTU website zip like this. So now what you need to do again next is to click on it. When you click on it, it will show an arrow here showing open menu. Click on the open menu and they say extract to. They're telling you this where exactly is supposed to extract to. Then click on extract. You need to click on extract, then you will see these things displaying here. That is just exactly what you will see. Just exactly everything you are seeing here, that's exactly what you will see. So next what we'll be doing will be upload colliding your database with it. So now to join your database with it, you have to click on coil. Just double click on the coil, then click on models, yeah, then click on model.php. Just click on it. Click on the model.php. You'll see an arrow button at the bottom here. Click on the arrow button and click on code editor. Now these things here, the database, see public status host, public status database name, username, password, you are going to change them. So for you to be able to change them, you have to go back to your cPanel and click on my SQL database. It will take you here. So what you all need to do here is to create a database name. You can use VTU governor, then say create database. Then wait a little while, it will create something like this, exactly this. It will create it. So it will generate a password for you. You can put a password. You can decide to do a new password. Then you say save. Then say save. Now after that, you click on this option here, say sign in. Now we want to create a database. You already created the database, but we want to upload something inside the database. I've already uploaded something here, but I will teach you how to upload. So what you just need to do here, click on this video, governor something something, make click on it. Then on this three dotted line here, click on it. Then say import and wait for it. If you have not gotten the script, I will give it to you, and I will still give you a lot of tutorial. I can give you a video call if you are lost in any area. Then say choose script, choose file. This place behind choose file. Click on it and download. Okay, a full tutorial. I'll give you one-on-one. Do a video call. We do this thing. Anywhere you're making errors, can be a WhatsApp call. Now just click on this database. When you click on it, look at it there. The what you just need to do, say oh go. When you click go and think you are good to go. Then after that, now this password you created here, you will come here, and put the password here. This username you created, you will copy it. Make sure you copy everything, come here and put it here. The hosting provider, look at it here. You copy everything here, come here and paste it. Then you say save. Okay, so now just go back to your website. Sorry, it's your dots. Okay, look at it now. You're welcome to the Governor Empire VTU. Very nice. Wow. So like this, you have your own personal website. Take a look at it. Very nice website. You can buy utilities, utility, that is NEPA bill, electricity. You can purchase bulk SMS. You can buy airtime. You can change airtime to cash with it. You can convert airtime to cash. Pay utility bill, cable subscription, DSTV. You can buy airtime. You can buy data, and so on and so forth. So I think with this you're able to make a lot of money. Not want to say lot, make massive money. What you just need to do, just register. Just register on the website. Now this is it. Let me say I want to register, for instance. That is my name. I want to put my phone number. It's my phone number. I want to put my email. Yeah, that is my email. And continue. I do it just for testing purpose. I will delete it later on. I see 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nobody referred me. Successful. Not too much stress. Very nice. Take a good look at it. Very nice. Here you see your account balance. For now, I've not fund it. If you want to fund it, you can fund it. You can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can buy data card, you can pay for electricity, you can pay for exam pin, for cable TV, recharge card, and you can change airtime to cash. You can transfer from wallet to bank, from your wallet here. You can be doing this as an account. You can just from your wallet here, you can transfer to someone's bank account. You can download the app. You can see your history, your transaction history and the rest. You can add funds. You can view your profile, contact. You can be an agent too. You can log out. So many things here. So I think there's a right time for you to start making money online. With this, you'll be able to, if you are doing it for yourself, you can get up to 40,000, 50,000 monthly with this method. You can get a lot of money. And if you want to do it for person, you can charge a person like 70,000, 100,000, depends. And you just with your phone you can do everything, anything you wish to do here. So that is just all. For the admin, I will tell you how to edit your how to get your admin pin, how to log in as an admin. For those people that will purchase it, I will send that to them, send a video tutorial to them how they can do that. The least for now is just 2,000 naira, but after now I will be selling this script for 18,000 naira. Thank you. Yeah, and I still have more I'm going to be teaching you from time to time. So be alert. I will be really readily available to teach you. If you need me, contact me.